to do is we're going to go into how far are we going to get today. And this is what I call a round trip example, where we're going to have Ajax call a SQL Server, has SQL Server return a value, and then I've got all these different kinds of error conditions that it's being trapped. So the way that I got here was I went back to the matrix. It's the last link down here at the bottom here. How far are we going to get today? And so, for instance, I'll click on Alaska, and then I'll click on one of these Alaskan cities, and it pulls it up in Google Maps. So how did I do that? Well, let's kind of go through the code here. I'm going to refresh the page to get rid of this city list. All right, here's the JavaScript part of it. The first thing that we do is we say when there's an Ajax start, we're going to slide down this spinner div, and then whenever there's any kind of an Ajax stop, then we'll just slide up the spinner div. So that's the part where it probably doesn't show up in Connect, but that's a classic JavaScript thing where you've got something going on the screen to show that the screen is busy. And the way that I do it is I have a common CFC that contains all my remote functions, and I call it using a query format equal column,